Thank you, Vidisha. This is always my position, and in fact, in welcome address, I have thanked somebody. So, yeah, I may be excused for that. So, formally, I have to thank Honorable Minister, Mr. Anand Kumar ji, and Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan for gracing this occasion and giving awards. I have to thank Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Ministry of Science and Technology for their support. We have to thank Shri S.K. Manglik, Mr. Kuldeep Chandra, our gurus, T.S.R. Prasada Rao, Shri Suresh Mathur, Dr. Chaudhary, who is sitting here with Mr. U. Kumar, K.S. Sinha, Dr. Alok Parti for their support and blessings. I have to thank Shri Rajdan, who has supported me on each and every point and asked me to plan minute details. He is not happy with the audio visual arrangement on the first day, but sir, I will ensure you that it will be best. He is also not happy with some compare work done on that day. I will improve. Sir, I will improve. So these are some of the things I can assure you, sir, that we will improve in times to come. Then,
I never asked my wife what I'm unhappy with.
Thank you, sir. So I have to thank Dr. A.N. Saxena, who has supported me in getting all clearances and financial audit and all financial problems which I am having time to time. Thank you, sponsors, ONGC, Coal India Gold, sponsors, Petronet LNG, Peabody Energy, silver sponsor, ACB, Gujarat Gas, GE, EIL, and Jeremy. I have to thank various organizations and EMPI for their full support right from 14th of this month. Their students were volunteering our work, and thank you very much. And in fact, we have to thank Mr. Gurnam Saran for that, and Colonel Rana. Rana is here. Thank you. Sir, I will take a few moments to distribute group certificates first, and before thanking media partners, TV channel, Bloomberg TV, they have done a wonderful job. Delegates, without which this conference is 50%. So thank you very much, delegates, student delegate. And finally, my wife, Ragni Garg, my son, Shubham, and Sargam, who was talking to me every time from US, Dr. S.S. Sharma and Neelam Sharma for their support. They have come right at time to hold my hands. I have to thank Mr. Puneet Negi, Shashi Sinha, Vidisha Bhattacharya. So I will request at the end to give some memento to them. So first I will just say group certificates. It is not time to give to each and every individual. So this time I may be excused that we will give, call the institution and give all certificates. Sir, with your permission, Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University. There are 2 students. Please come. Next university is MIT Pune. Please come fast. Students, dynamic. Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. Come fast, please. Indian School of Mines, anybody can come. National Institute of Technology, Durgapur. NIT Durgapur, please. Please come. Come fast. And finally, NIMS University, Jaipur. NIMS University, Jaipur. I will call on stage and request EMPI. EMPI, please. Sri Manglik, please come and honor these beautiful students. EMPI, please. Mr. Puneet, please. Puneet Singh Negi, please. It is in Bloomberg TV also. Sakshi Sinha, come fast. Dr. Madhavan, come fast. Karnal Rana. And finally, I will request chairman to give bouquet to my wife Ragini so that I will remain comfortable. Thank you very much. All the delegate dignitaries on dais, and we are not giving any memento to dignitaries on dais at this moment. Thank you very much. Come again once more. Thank you very much. Thank you. We will meet on same date here itself, 15, 16 and 17 of February 2016.